I feel that if you're in Baba's family, you're very special, which means you've had past relationship with him, see? And for some reason or another, notwithstanding this exalted relationship, we seem to be living rather ordinary lives. Well, if a person struggles to not be ordinary when he sees everything about himself as ordinary, I feel that Baba, in an avataric period, is taking that effort on the part of that individual and infinitely multiplying that energy and using it for his universal spiritual work. So that individual's effort is not ordinary. In the first place, it's authored by God himself. That's the motivation. You're not conscious of that so much, but that's the motivation. How could that be ordinary if it's motivated by God himself? Everything's motivated by God, but this is a motivation which brings you directly to him. The significance, again, of being in a Baba community, that you believe in him, is that you go directly to the avatar, directly to the goal, directly.